In this video, I'm going to show you how to use builder.io in VS Code. So the first thing you have to do, you want to open up VS Code, and then you want to click on over here on the left hand side to open up the extensions, and you want to search for builder.io. When you do that, click on it so it pops up here on the right hand side, and then you want to click on the install button, and then click on Trust Publisher and install. Now whenever you do this here, it's going to install builder.io over here, and then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to put in your dev server URL. Okay, so this is the URL where your development server runs. Okay, if you don't know what that is, you can even click on this check mark over here. It's going to take you to their website, and you can basically see all about that. And then over here, you also have to put in your dev command. So this is basically the command to start your dev server, so whatever you may have it set up as. And then after you've done that, you could select if you want it to open in browser or if you want it to remember this project, and then just click on launch, and then this will basically launch over here inside VS Code. Okay, so that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.